Hello guys, welcome to Ashley Charmaine. Hello guys, this is Ashley Charmaine. So today's video is how I'm going to groom my eyebrows. So the product I'm going to use is Flawless Brows. I purchased this from Walgreens for $19.99. I will provide all the information down below in the description box. So let's get to the video. Make sure you put your battery in there, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, I'm just touching up my brow. Okay. So after I finish grooming my eyebrows, I like to fill in my eyebrows with a brown pencil and go over it with rubbing alcohol with a Q-tip if I don't want to put any concealer up under my brows. It removes hair instantly and pain-free, perfect for eyebrows, gentle on all skin types, built-in light, lets you see the finest hairs, precision engineered, battery is included. So when I bought this from Walgreens, the price was $19.99. So right now if you go to walgreens.com, they have it on sale for $14.99. So I will provide the link below in the description box. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. So there you go. These are my updated brow routine.